my hand.
Who wants to trade for Lafufu?
What do you want for Boo Boo?
Do you have any OG suitcases? I'm looking for OG suitcases. Sorry, bud, you're gonna have to trade for it. You're gonna have to trade for it.
Okay, what do I have to give you for Boo Boo? What do you have to give me?
I want an OG suitcase. I want an OG suitcase. Do you have any of those?
Yeah, 3.
Put it in my head so I
Okay.
can make it bigger. So I can put it to the kids.
Hey, Pub.
I got some stuff to put in. I got stuff to put in.
I'll take this guy's trade. I'll take this guy's trade.
Okay, let me find you.
I got my special.
You could throw them away. The hard gun's useful because if you go and give away codes, you could collect stuff.
Is that a
Yeah,
Yes,
Wait, come fund me.
Okay, bet, bro.
I mean,
My name is Jay. Let's go find me.
No one's to go mining with guys. Can someone
But bro, friend me.
I do. Wait, I'll give you this for the Labubu.
I sent my friend.
Nah, bro, I already got one of those.
I have an idea.
I'm gonna join the code.
Okay, ready to join the code.
You want the hook shot? You badge it.
I can look inside the intestine. No, but I feel so weird here. Carrying something that's weird. Okay, bro. So
Here you are. I'm not gonna kick you, cause I only scam if somebody scams me. Drop at the same time.
3, 2, 1. Your bro sick suitcase. Oh my god, bro.
Told you I wasn't gonna scam you. I'm not that type. I'm not that type of scammer.
Hey, bro. I'm just gonna do something really quick. I'm gonna put my item back in my stash.
Yeah, you dropped the suitcase.
Wait, bro. Take a suitcase, bro. Take that suitcase, bro. I actually don't want it.
No.
I'm doing scam busting.
Were you scam busting?
Yeah, bro. I'm going scam busting, bro.
Oh my god.
You can also have something else, bro. You can have something else as well.
What?
You can have, I don't know. I'm just getting rid of all those revolvers. You can have them, I guess. I don't even need.
I guess I'll just do a giveaway.
You can also have that bag, by the way. You can also have this bag.
What bag is this?
There's nothing in it. I just thought it looked cool.
Oh. I already have the same exact one.
Oh. Consider it as an extra.
I might as well just do the whole giveaway. I might just give it away. Because, like, I already have it. There's no point in me even keeping it.
Don't scam. Bye. Why is nobody scamming, bro? First guy was a little suspicious.
I'm on 4 damn.
First guy, I was suspicious, man. Look, time bomb. Want to trade away for a time bomb?
Not me.
Okay, loser. You did not have to say that.
You did not have to say that.
No, bro. Rufus. No, you can have that, bro. You can have that. Okay, so that lobby doesn't want to trade away for a time bomb. Wants to trade away for a time bomb.
Shoot it at people. Guys,
Wants to trade away for a time bomb.
Sewers and guys, I'll give you something.
I have that stuff in
Wants to trade away for a time bomb.
I wouldn't need that kind of stuff.
I'll get
It's not me.
Wait, bro, you want to trade away for that for it?
Yo, what's good?
If you want to join my Call
Call of Duty and Animal Company? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Who wants to trade away for a time bomb? Who wants to trade away for a time bomb?
Show me you can do.
Oh, you want to gamble?
I'll trade away for a time.
We have to go into a private server.
Okay, friend me and then we can go into a private server.
Depending on what
Okay.
you give me, depends on what you get.
Yo, I'm gonna put this item in here, so whoever's
Donations.
Guess not
I'm
friend.
gonna join a random code. No.
Okay.
Yeah, did.
Okay, join me.
Okay, bro.
It's basically a vacuum machine.
Well, I guess that stick's going.
Accept my friend request so I can show you that I can do.
Take this thing I found on the floor.
Okay, bro.
Hey, dude.
Swap for someone. Okay, bro. What
And
do you
I didn't want to be the second person because I've been scammed before. Alright, I'll show you I can dupe, okay?
have? Okay, bro.
You can dupe?
Yeah, he can do it.
Let me pull up my VPN.
Good, bro. I'm mainly
Can you-
looking for OG suitcases, and besides that, basically anything.
Will you
I
guys
found a
join
combo.
Squid Games if
won Squid
I can
Games and
prove
got
to you
this.
that I can dupe?
Oh, that?
The giant
Sure.
time bomb.
I'll take that.
Not for
Alright.
this. No.
Alright, I have my VPN up, so I'm gonna show you guys that I can dupe, okay?
Wait, is the
I watched
VPN
this.
like a mini mod menu you can have, or no?
No.
Oh, he's duping the shotgun. Watch
Oh,
it.
he's-
Wait till he
Don't
disappears.
touch it. Don't touch it or go on top of it.
Wait
'cause-
till he disappears, then you can touch it.
No, don't touch it, bro. Don't touch it. Oh my god.
No, he'll spawn with one. Watch. I know how VPN works. I have like multiple friends who have VPN. You gonna join back?
I've low-key always wanted a VPN, but I've just
I
never.
don't know how to get a VPN.
Picture you have to like go use a file manager and then you download it inside your game.
Did I do it?
Yeah. Yeah, you duped it. See? Nice.
So,
Wait,
can you guys
duplicate
join
his
Squid
com-
Games now?
No.
What?
We're trying to
You
trade,
mean
bro.
Squid Games?
We both be trying to trade.
Okay.
Oh my.
Alright. Well, if you guys ever want to join Squid Games. Alright.
Bye. Well, that was that.
You have any OG suitcases?
Okay. I got 5 different colors.
I'm looking for the yellow tape one. You have any of
Okay,
those?
I have that one. I have that one.
Okay.
This one?
That one? Yeah. Yeah, that'll work.
Okay. For
Drop
that?
in 3, 2, 1.
Wait, back up. No, back up. Then we drop.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2. We're doing business. I've always done this trading way because then people can't take it.
Okay, bro. So I was actually scam busting so you can have oh my god, bro. You can have this suitcase, bro.
Bet. Thanks, Mo. You want a galaxy suitcase? I mean, not galaxy suitcase. A galaxy crossbow?
I actually already have one. I can show you if you want me to.
I have too many of them.
Oh.
Some guy was duping them constantly. That's a shotgun. I said crossbow.
I know, bro. Also take oh crap, bro. Oh wait, bro. Oh, glitched into.
What is that?
You can also have that for not scamming, bro.
Oh, thanks, bro.
No problem.
Oh, here, take a galaxy crossbow. I don't need it.
Thank you, bro. Guess I'll take it. I wonder what happens when I put something on it because one time I got one and put a cheese on it and the cheese became galaxy as well. Oh,
There was some guy who almost lagged out a server because he kept duping.
oh, the mini one!
crossbow.
Yay! Crossbow.
Yo, you wanna go get a bunch of free stuff?
Don't scam.
You know the
Bye,
key card
buddy.
thing?
Oh my god.
Oh, the war's over.
I want to try.
I believe I can.
Guys, you cannot believe it!
Guys, you gotta go to the very, very back of the very back of Lake. You see,
How do you get that chance?
Who wants to trade for this heart chocolate box? Who wants to trade for a heart chocolate box from the Valentine's update?
bitch.
Who wants to trade for this?
Ow! The bouncer bullets! The
Bro, you wanna
bouncer
trade for this?
bullets!
Yeah, I'll trade for that. I'll trade
Okay,
for that.
but friend me.
Yo, who's a
Oh, I got you.
VPN? Who's a VPN?
Ow.
Just gonna.
Does anybody here have a VPN?
I'm the white
For
collar.
what reason? For what reason? For what reason? Alright, I
I
friended you.
know-
I friended you.
I know
Make
how
sure
to
you're
make
online.
millions
Make sure
of
you're
dollars.
online.
You guys,
I am, bro.
you guys,
Join my
you
code.
gotta come.
Yes.
You
I got
guys,
you.
gotta
Target success.
Yo, it was good.
Yo, bro, what up? What do you want to trade for this? I'll let you pick what you want to trade away.
And it can be anything?
Not literally anything. I'll take some Galaxy stuff. I don't really know what I want, specifically what I want for it.
How about, yo, I've actually been wanting one of those for a long time. So how about I put this in a landmine?
A landmine.
Cause that, you don't want a landmine?
Nah, bro, since I heard that Animal Company now is banning everyone with modded items, I just don't want to get banned. That's why I don't trade away from
They
modded
are?
items.
They are?
If they think that you're the moderator, I just don't have modded items so they don't think that I'm a moderator. But I'll trade away for that.
This? Is this?
Yeah. Are you good with that? Or no?
Yes, but I did get scammed a couple minutes ago
Oh.
by a guy with a tiny little heart gun. And he said, yo, dump out your items so I can make sure that you have it in your backpack. I was like, okay. So I went really far away and I dumped it out and he used the heart gun, boom, and kicked me.
Bro, I don't have a heart gun. See? I do have a grappler,
I know.
but how could that be helpful unless it's like a Galaxy box or something? Don't have a heart gun.
For real. I just get nervous around heart guns, that's all. Wait, do I have a bigger one of these? Oh, I actually do have a bigger one of the. I have a bigger of
No,
this
it's a-
version if you want
I'll
it.
take I'll
You
take
want
the
it?
normal sized one. You can have the bigger one.
I bet. It's stinky. Yo, it would make me feel a lot better if you had a bag.
A bag? Okay, bro. I'll put it in a bag.
Oh, big bag. Oh, okay.
Okay. Drop it in
All right,
3,
so how do you wanna?
2, 1. Drop it.
Oh,
Okay,
did
bro,
you
you didn't
scam me?
But bro, there's nothing in this bag.
Yeah, I'm doing a video, bro. Have you seen Scammer Get Scammed?
Are you scamming people?
No. Have you seen a Scammer Get Scammed video?
Yeah, like how they scam people?
Yeah, I'm trying to catch scammers, bro, but it did not work. Because you're not a scammer. Which is good, so I'm gonna give you the actual item.
Oh, bro, I thought you were trying to scam people for a video.
You can. No, I'd get banned off of YouTube and they'd find my account.
Yeah, bro, why
I'd be
not-
cooked.
Bro, you can have the hard chocolate box, bro. Since you really wanted it, you can have it.
Oh, actually,
Yeah, I don't really mind.
I bet. Thank you.
And since you didn't scam, you can have a golden revolver. Or do you have the pack?
No, I don't. W. Alright, bye, bro.
Thank you, no problem. Don't scam.
Yeah, don't scam. For real.
Guys, so one more I'm gonna do. Do one more round of trying to find people.
I don't want that.
I'm gonna shoot you with my damn Tommy gun.
Oh my god!
gotta see what I got.
Oh shit!
Now,
Yo,
wait,
chill.
this is the
I'll pay you.
water
I'll pay you.
bag.
I'll pay you not to do it, bro. I'll pay you not to do it, bro. Take my
Oh
money.
my god, it is, you guys.
Take my bag. Take my bag, bro.
You should just hand it back. Hand it back.
Who wants to trade away for this OG apple?
Okay, so I gotta go up here. Shit, bro. Who's gonna tell me? Hold up.
Who wants to trade away?
It's actually so easy to make.
I'm gonna make one.
Want to trade away for this OG apple?
I don't give a fuck.
You need a bat.
But what
No,
the
you need a
I think that guy's a computer, to be honest, because that's what it's Want to
Basically, you go up to anything that you want to buy, and then
Want to trade away for this
No, I
OG
wanna
apple?
Add it. I
Want
want
to trade for this
add it.
OG apple? Wait,
I already have an OG apple. Alright, so
I want to add
basically
this card to the
Friend me,
Please.
friend me if you want to trade away. Wait, you do? You do?
Okay, come here. You want to buy it from
Friend me,
this
bro.
game? A different game.
What's your username?
I want to buy this.
Cooper your man. Cooper your
Alright,
man.
so grab it. Slide it this way.
Cooper Man.
Alright. And you'll see this thing, right?
Join a code. I'm gonna join a code. I'm gonna join a code.
Wait, no, wait.
All my friends are offline.
Yeah. Wait, never mind. I did something wrong.
Wait, bro.
Never mind.
Wait,
Come
Bro, join me. Join me. Join me. I'm gonna do a code. I'm gonna do a code. And
Quest cash and
Wait, can I join you? Can I join you? Can I join you?
nah, bro. Bro. Hope that kid isn't planning to scam. Bro, what's wrong with this? Hey, bro, what up? What do you want to trade away for this OG
Can I
apple?
taste it a little bit? Yeah, that's expired.
What do you want to trade away for the apple?
Will this work?
Ooh, that's good. Sure, I'll trade away for that.
Okay.
Actually, no, I have tons of those. Heck, yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, let me make sure no one's in the code.
Nope, nobody's here. Just both of us.
Okay, bet. Please don't kick me. If you're gonna just scam me, then just take it, okay? Just don't kick me.
Dropped it, bro. Did you one?
Apple. Hey, bro, you want to know why I asked for the apple?
Why, bro?
Just a second ago, this is what I got. And this is what I'm going to do with the apple.
Bro, since you didn't
No.
scam, you can keep your items. You can keep your item. And you can have a gold bar. You can have a gold bar.
Thanks.
Since you didn't scam. Don't scam out there. Okay, guys. So that'll be it, and bye.